Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating a focused environment, install Python 3, 8+, and make a virtualenv to isolate dependencies. Once done, pip install OpenCV and a GUI framework like PyQt5 because OpenCV handles capture while PyQt5 renders UI smoothly. Then write main. Py, import CV2 and open video capture, 0 to test the camera stream. Make sure the device index is correct. Run a quick loop to read frames and display a window. This confirms the hardware and core library integration. Now you wire the UI to the capture pipeline. Create a preview pane and buttons for snapshot and record. Place settings for resolution and frame rate so users can control quality. Use a separate thread for frame reads to avoid freezing the UI, and convert OpenCV BGR frames to RGB before rendering. This prevents color shifts. Once the preview updates smoothly, implement capture logic to save a timestamped JPEG, and add a video writer that toggles recording with proper codec and frame size. Finish by cleaning up resources. When the app closes, release video capture and any video writer, join threads, and catch exceptions so you avoid locked devices. Make sure to optimize by resizing frames for display and optionally skipping frames to keep UI responsive. Hardware-accelerated codecs reduce CPU load when available. If things go wrong, first check camera permissions and the device index, then verify codec compatibility. These 3 checks resolve most issues quickly, and they explain why some streams fail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.